Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Oakley Factory Team Flesh. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, you can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Oakley Factory Team Flesh. Unfortunately, there's the labels. It's got another label on it, but I do remember the sizing. The sizing is a US 9, it's a European 42.5, and it's a UK 8. So this is the first time we're doing a review of some Oakleys. I know they're not sunglasses. They do sneakers as well. So Oakley are very well known for their sunglasses. However, we got a good look at their sneakers today, and this takes inspiration from some sneakers they designed. Well, it's the same ones, the factory team that they did in the early 2000s. But again, like you guys, I'm probably wondering, well, why are we looking at Oakleys now? Well, trust me, these sneakers, I think they're bubbling up. They're really cool. I see a lot of the cool people wearing, like really fashionable people all over the fashion world. And I'm a big fan of these sneakers. I'm a big fan of their snow goggles and their sunglasses personally. And if I'm being honest, the first time I saw Oakley's was on the Soulja Boy video, but that's neither here nor there. These sneakers are really dope. Well, they're classified as sandals, but yeah, can't really see it. Really dope. Very ahead of its time, because you can see, obviously, when these first originally came out in the early 2000s, I'm pretty sure they were in that aesthetic where, I don't know about you guys if you remember, but in the early 2000s there was a lot of very unique designs that looked very futuristic. I wouldn't say ahead of the time, but they just looked futuristic, something you'd see in a sci-fi movie. And this, I would say, fits under that umbrella. But right now, like in regards to what sneakers look like nowadays, it can look like anything. You've seen the most weirdest designs ever. I mean, I love a pair of the Slate Bembury Crocs, and you know, this is not weird. This is probably normal compared to that. So you can wear whatever you want, that's what I'm trying to say. But these, at the time, in the early 2000s, it would fit under the umbrella, but not a lot of people would have worn them. And yeah, this is really dope. I'm talking a lot about the sneaker. Let's get into the details. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole, you can see an exposed foam essentially, but you see the traction patterning with these rubber pods there. So you can see it at like the points. They like to call it the tri-point, where you're going to get a lot of the traction from. And you can see the really cool big O at the forefoot. That is obviously Oakley's logo right there. And you look at the midsole unit. So essentially, like I mentioned before, that midsole unit is a foam midsole. And you look at the upper. So this upper is essentially a sock liner, and you just slip your feet right in, but you've got all these little cool details. So you look at the paneling that's just on top of the mesh, so you can see like all the synthetic materials in this like light green with the orange or peach O right there, and just covering that is this nubuck in this dark green. Essentially, it's like a neoprene sock, just like the Nike Air Huarache, and you can see the insole right there, where the Oakley Factory Team synthetic materials in the insole. It's nicely padded collar. Again, it's like a neoprene sock, so it just fits, so you can just slide your feet right in. And you've got the pull tab in this like peach color also, with the Oakley and Flesh lettering. So that rounds up my review. Really dope sneaker in my opinion. These sandals, as Oakley want to call them, very, again, like this is quite ahead in regards to, I'm seeing really cool people wear it at the minute. Hopefully it will trickle down to mainstream, but this is quite an easy sneaker. It's not a lot of faff. You just slip your feet right in, but it looks so dope. This got my attention because of that, the latest Brain Dead collaboration. I'm a big fan of Brain Dead's collab, so if anyone from Brain Dead's watching it, we know that you are, throw us some t-shirts for your boys here at Oneupreviewz. We're a size large. And yeah, that rounds up my review. Really excited to try these on. Just all this footage of me trying this factory team flesh on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size European fit. I'm typically a size 42. This is UK size 8. I think this is fine. If I want it a bit more snug, maybe I'll go a half size down. But these look really cool on. It's so different. Well, not really different because we've had some slip-ons before. In regards to like the outsole, it is a bit different because I feel like it's split. So there's some elevation around my heel and like the forefoot, so it feels a bit chunky. But other than that, these look like proper cool. They look like diving shoes, and because they're slippery, you know, it gives me that urban ninja feel. Other than that, these are really cool on. Big alternative, like if you're not fond of any other brands, like any of the big names, why not try some OAKLEY's? Team Factory. These Team Factories, sorry, are really dope. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.